मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन अबिल कासिम मुहम्मद वालैहि तय्यबीन ताहिरीन अल-मासूमीन अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी क़ुरआनिल मजीद बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्नल्लाहा मअस-साबिरीन रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली सलवात। The commander of the faithful Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, salawat. Says that whenever you will open Holy Quran, whenever you will read Holy Quran, whenever you will ponder over Holy Quran, there will be one plus, there will be one minus. There will be one addition, there will be one deduction. What plus, what minus, what addition, what deduction? A plus in your knowledge and in your good deed. And what deduction? A deduction in your ignorance and bad deed. Till the time you are with Holy Quran, you will be full of benefits. And now let us see what Quran says about the Quran. Now the two banners are here. The first two ayats of Surah Baqarah, ayat number 1 and 2, the meaning is Alif Lam Mim. This is the book, there is no doubt in it, no doubt in it, a guidance to the pious. And another Surah Al-Asra, ayat number 9, indeed this Quran guides to what is most upright and gives the good news to the faithful who do righteous deeds, that there is a great reward for them. We should be really grateful with tears in our eyes that we are getting one more chance of cleaning ourselves. The spring climate of Quran, the spring climate of Quran, the holy month of Ramadan, we are going to welcome it. Quran is really a blessing. Mullah Ali says that your time is like summer clouds. Have you seen summer cloud? You have seen their summer cloud. Again you look at the summer cloud that has gone. Time passes very quickly. And further it has been quoted that opportunity do not rise again and again. So we are getting the best opportunity to have self-audit of ourselves by passing a good time with the Holy Quran. Holy Quran really a blessing for us. Wouldn't you be happy if some big person talked to you? Wouldn't you be happy if the king of a country or prime minister or president of a country talked to you? How happy you would be if he talked to you? And if the creator, the king of the kings, the creator of the whole universe, the seven skies, the uncountable stars, the sun, the moon, the vast sea full of water, and the creator of how many people are in this world? 7 Arab people are there. The creator of seven Arab people, if he wants to talk to you and he talks to you, how much happy you should be. The quotation of the Holy Quran, a blessing that whenever you want that the king of the universe may talk to you, open Holy Quran, read Holy Quran with translation, you will feel as if Allah is talking to you. And if you want to talk with God, to Allah, just lay down musalla and start offering prayer. as you will feel as if you are talking to the Almighty Allah. And then, wouldn't you be happy if you come nearer to your home and your home is delightful, charming, and full of light? Wouldn't you be happy? And then some representative from the sky, the angels come and say, the people of sky also sees your home lightening, illuminating. Wouldn't you be happy? The quotation, Holy Quran, a blessing for us. The quotation is this, that the home, the house, the Imam Barga, the place where Quran is recited, where namazes are be offered, that place becomes so much illuminating to the people of skies, as if you look at a shining star. May God bless you. I compliment all of you on welcoming the holy month of Ramadan. And we welcome the holy month of Ramadan with this noble intention. Inshallah, we'll pass it in the most motivating, in the most meaningful manner. Really, lucky is one who gets the holy month. But unlucky is one that the holy month pass away and his sins are not forgiven. With all this good intention, kindly recite Salawat loudly. And with one more salawat, may I request Maulana to kindly come, please.